Hello, this is Calculating with X, and today we'll be showing you guys solving inequalities. Solving inequalities can also go by other names like finding the value of a variable such as x, or just isolating variable blah blah blah. The variable will have a name like x, t, y, z, it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to call it solving inequalities because that sounds cool and professional. Alright, so let's start with this right here. 4x plus 8 gives us 20. Alright, we can do this multiple ways, but I find addition and subtraction, if you get that out of the way first, it's a lot easier to do multiplication and division. So that's what we're going to do. If we do one thing to one side, we have to do it to the other. Remember that. It's important. Alright, so to get rid of this plus 8 here and make x more isolated, we are going to do minus 8 to remove this, so these two counter each other, and minus 8. So we can bring that down to 4x equals 12. Just did it one side, do it to the other. Now we have the multiplication and division. What you're doing here is you're always using the counter or opposite of what you have in your equation. So earlier I had plus 8, so I have to use the opposite, minus 8. Here we have 4 times x, so we're going to try to divide it by 4. That is the counter to a multiplication. Choo! X equals 3. There we go. That's simple. Let me show you guys another problem, maybe a little bit more hard. Can't think of my grammar right now. I'm a little tired. Alright, to do this, we have this divided by 3. That's pretty annoying. Let's get it out the way right now. So, times 3, because the opposite of the division is multiplication. So these two will cancel each other out, and we will get 3x minus 1 equals 99. This is pretty simple. Plus 1, plus 1. Look at that. And we move the 3 over. Cancel. X equals 100 over 3. That's your answer. Alright. Just a quick tip to look smart, I guess. If you have something, a fraction such as 1 over 3, we can change that to something that markers did. In decimal form, that'll be changed to 3.3333, or percentage form. And the 3 goes on forever. So how do we write that? We can put a line over it. And that means it goes on forever. Just a quick tip. Look smart. Alright, let's go to our last problem. 4x minus 1 equals 10. We got the blue marker now. I like it a lot better. It gives kind of nice glow off of it. Now, we are going to simplify. This means one side. We don't do it to both. It's simplification. Nothing changes at all. So 2 times 4x and 2 times negative 1. So 2 times 4x will give us 8x. 2 times negative 1, do not forget the negative sign, otherwise you have no idea where you're going, and you are not going to get the right answer. 2 times negative 1 is going to give us negative 2. Now we move this 2 over. 8x equals 12. We gotta remove the 8. 8 with 12. There's our answer. X equals 12 over 8. Thank you for watching today from Calculating with X, and I hope to see you guys again soon.